A very pleasant good morning. Welcome back to our online GK class. I hope by the grace of God all are fine. Did you study the last class portions? Yes. Shall I ask some questions? What is parts of speech? Say the answer. Parts of speech is a cluster of words based on the word's function, the way it works in a sentence. Once more, parts of speech is a cluster of words based on the word's function, the way it works in a sentence. The second question is, what are the types of parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, preposition, adjective, conjunction, verb, adverb and interjection. Okay students, today we are going to learn about sources of history and information. Sources of history and information. First we study about history. What is history? You know the answer. Study of past events. History is study of past events. Okay. Then we can gather information from many sources. We can gather information from many sources. For example, monuments. Yes, statue or other structure placed over a grave in memory of the dead, that is historical importance. It is historical importance. For example, Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China. Okay students, the second one is manuscripts. It can be defined as handwritten record of information. It can be defined as handwritten record of information. It could be in the form of letter on leaves and barks of trees. On leaves and barks of trees. The third one is records, books and artifacts. Artifacts means objects made by human beings. Objects made by human beings. Object made by human beings. Then next, the sources of information may be classified into two. The sources of information may be classified into two. The first one is primary sources. The second one is secondary sources. Primary sources is also called original sources. Original things that hand information usually belonging to the same time period. It is belonging to the same time period. For example, studying stamps to learn about the history of the Indian postal system. The second one is secondary sources. Information given to by someone else, usually belonging to the later time period. It is belonging to later time period. For example, reading an encyclopedia that gives the history of the Indian postal system. Then encyclopedia that gives the history of the Indian postal system. Okay students, understand? Then Allah take your book, the page number 10. Page number 10. The first exercise. The first exercise, page number 10. Match the research given below to the sources. First exercise, match the research given below to the sources. Mughal architecture, monuments, forts, palaces and gardens. Rule of Emperor Ashoka. Edicts, manuscripts, monuments. Use of metals in early civilization. Artifacts, coins, jewelry, utensils. Timeline of writing. Clay tablets, scripts of early civilization, manuscripts, early print editions, newspapers, e-books. Indian independence movement. Newspapers, letters, songs, flags, photographs, newsreels, interviews. Once more, Mughal architecture, monuments, forts, palaces and gardens. Second one, rule of Emperor Ashoka, edicts, manuscripts, monuments. Third one, use of metals in early civilization, artifacts, coins, jewelry, utensils. Fourth one, timeline of writing. Clay tablets, scripts of early civilization, manuscripts, early print editions, newspapers, e-books. Fifth one, Indian independence movements, newspapers, letters, songs, flags, photographs, newsreels, interviews. Okay, students. Then second exercise. See the second exercise. Which primary sources would you use? Tick the correct one. Tick the correct one. To learn about the life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, period is 1931 to 2015. First question is to learn about the life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Read his autobiography, My Life, an illustrated autobiography. Visit his house at Rameswaram, now converted into a museum, to study the photographs of Dr. Kalam, his writings and his awards. The second one is to learn about the Rani of Jhansi. To learn about the Rani of Jhansi, the period 1835 to 1858. Read the letter written by the Rani of Jhansi to the Governor General of the East Indian Company, Lord Dalhousie. Read the letter written by the Rani of Jhansi to the Governor General of the East Indian Company, Lord Dalhousie. The third one, to learn about the Roman Emperor Julius Caesar. To learn about the Roman Emperor Julius Caesar. Answer is study coins issues in the time when Julius Caesar resigned. Study coins issues in the time when Julius Caesar resigned. Fourth one is to learn about the change in communication in India after the advent of cell phones. Interview an elder in the family. Visit a post office to know whether we send fewer letters today than we did before we started using cell phones. To learn about the life of people during World War II. To learn about the life of people during World War II. Read the diary of Anne Frank, a young girl who went into hiding during the war. See the Anne Frank. Anne Frank wrote the diary when she and his family forced into hiding to escape the Nazis when she was 13. Their hiding place was discovered and Annie died in concentration camp when she was 15. Her diary is read the world over. Her diary is read the world over. The sixth question is to learn about the great filmmaker Satyajit Ray. To learn about the great filmmaker Satyajit Ray. Watch films made by Satyajit Ray. The last one is to learn about the life of early humans. To learn about the life of early humans. Visit the rock shelters at Bhimbetka to see prehistoric cave printings. Visit a museum that displays prehistoric artifacts. Students understand? So, today what and all we are studying in this class? First we are studying history. Yes, what is history? Study of past events. Next one is what? Information. We can gather information from many sources such as monuments, manuscripts, records, books and artifacts. Okay students, then we are studying sources of information may be classified into two. Sources of information classified into two. What are they? Primary sources and secondary sources. Say the example for primary sources. Studying stamps to learn about the history of the Indian postal system. Then example for secondary sources. Reading an encyclopedia that gives the history of the Indian postal system. Okay students, all are studying this lesson. Next class. Okay. Thank you students for your patience and attention.